You can expect a lot from the 2015 Toyota RAV4. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.